Chapter 19, Radioactivity and Nuclear Chemistry. The first section is entitled Diagnosing Appendicitis, and the author goes into an experience that he had with a suspected case of appendicitis. And, he should talk to my husband because my husband actually had appendicitis while on vacation in Minnesota. And not just while we were at my parents' house in Minneapolis, but while they were up in the very, very primitive cabin in northern Minnesota.
When was it?
This was a few years ago.
Okay, that's terrifying.
It was just fabulous. I'll tell you the rest of the story later.
I thought you took a vacation.
It was the vacation that you would just not believe, all the stuff that happened. But anyway, radioactivity can be used to diagnose appendicitis. Well, let's first say what radioactivity is. It is the emission of subatomic particles or high-energy electromagnetic radiation by the nuclei of certain atoms. Nuclear medicine is the specialty of medicine that employs radioactivity to both diagnose and treat disease. Radiation is useful for this because radioactive emissions can pass through many types of tissue. So they can go through your skin and allow doctors to get a picture of what's going on inside. Radioactivity is invisible to the eye but does expose photographic film. And I can't remember what's coming up next year. No, we don't want to go there just yet. So, one of the things they can do is they can give you something nasty to drink, and it goes through your esophagus, and down through your intestines and everything. And then they use radioactive emissions, and they can take a picture, and they can see where all that stuff has gone. There's just a whole bunch of cool stuff that they can do with radiation. The book doesn't really talk anymore about this. It turns out that the author of the book did not have appendicitis, but radiation was used to determine that. My husband, unfortunately, did have appendicitis, and now he no longer has an appendix, but he's still around, so that's pretty awesome. This is a crazy little section, and that's the end of it.